Girl, she had a day. I really didn't even do anything taxing today besides the fact that I've just been speaking Tagalog all day, which I really have no problem, pero nauubusan na ako ng Tagalog, girl. Like, and I love the fact that even pag nagtatagalog ako sa mga people, they still speak to me in English. I'm like, sis, I'm literally trying so hard to speak Tagalog for you, and then you respond in English? God, stop. Speak to me in Tagalog. Put some respect in my Tagalog, girl. Pero I think, sa tingin ko, sa tingin ko, they do that kasi parang tanga kasi akong nagsasalita ng Tagalog. Parang bulol vibes. Like parang, na para bang wala siyang alam. You know? Pero alam ko talaga mag-Tagalog, pero I wish I could speak more Ilocano. But I really do be getting so excited whenever I get to speak Ilocano, even here in Manila, even though it's rare. Kasi no, dito yung Pilipinas, talaga ito yung utak ko kay Ilocano lang. Like, it's very hard for me to switch to Tagalog. Like, nung damdama ganda, uy, gusto mo ba ng tubig? I'm always like, adati na lamiis. Ano kinaklang. My brain doesn't go like, meron bang yung cold na yung malamig? Girl, I literally get so proud of myself whenever I remember something. Anyways, no, dati Ilocano to yung nga mamit ko. Kanayon da nga ibabaga, Ilocano na. And then I'm like, amo mag-Ilocano? Tapos ibaga, yung mother side ko lang. Hindi ako. Sis, mag-Ilocano kang, like, ang hirap mag-Tagalog. Anyways, nagbayag na dito yung button. Mag-order na sinigang baboy. I'll see you later.